Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So we are here to discuss regarding a Java problem. This particular problem is related to string. When I say Java problem, it's not at all a Java problem. This is a very common coding question that's been asked by the interviewer these days. If you are appearing into Amazon, if you are appearing into Facebook, Meta, even if you are appearing to several product-based companies, these are this is one of the question that's been asked by the client. Okay, so yeah, so before going ahead, let me tell you, because I am a Java developer, I would like to resolve this using Java, right? But yeah, once you are able to understand the logic, why we are here, to understand the logic, how to uh, how to move forward with this problem, how to find a solution. So accordingly, you can develop your in your own coding language. It could be C++, it could be C, it could be anything else. A lot of things are here, and yeah, Leetcode is here. This is the third Leetcode problem, very popular one. So let's try to discuss about this. Okay, so uh, if we start reading out the problem statement, it is clearly mentioning like, given the string s, find the length of the longest substring without repeating characters. Okay, so if we consider this, abc is a substring. ABCA is not a substring with repeating character because A is already there. BCA is also a substring with length CAB. This is also a substring. CABC is not, because C is occurring twice. So like this we need to understand. There could be several substrings with length of 3, which is uh, basically happening in this case. However, we need to find the maximum length here, right? So the output should be an integer. That is the expectation here. If you see here, they are expecting an integer, and we just need to find out the maximum length. Okay, and let's try to understand this in here. Okay, the same ABCD I have put in here. So the idea is, for the first time, what I will do, basically we are trying to solve this problem using sliding window. Okay, so let's assume for the first time what I will do, that I am just removing this thing, end index, and uh, starting. I will take two indexes. Okay, start index and end index, by which I will traverse the entire string character by character, and then I will see if the character is present in a given uh, set or not. Okay, so let's say right now, for the beginning, for the time being, I am pointing start index and end index at A. Since it's a start, A is there, so I have kept A into some place. Okay, you can use any collections, it's fine. Now I will increase my end index to 1, because A was not at all present since we have started with A. So now what we found? We found B. Fine. Did we already get B earlier? The answer is definitely no. Okay. If we are not getting the same thing, we will keep on increasing the end index. Okay. So now the end index coming to C. And from if you come to C, if we see A and B is not was there, but C was not there. So definitely A, B, C is a substring with non-repetitive character. Next, if I move my index to A, there I have to stop, right? Because A, B, C, A was already there. So now what will happen? So this is not at all a substring. However, this ABC might be the highest length substring. Okay, so what we have to do in parallel, we will keep the max length 3 in a temporary variable. If my max length, if by any chance another substring if I get where max length is max length is greater than our previous max length, we will keep that. Okay, so now the situation arrived like this. So max length is become 3 and you are done. Now you have to move on. How you are going to move on? You have to increase your start index. Yes, I will point my start index from here right now. Okay, and again I have to point my end index also from here. Okay, so now if I remove this, let me remove this one also. Let me draw another one. This is pointing to, it will start from B. Next it will go to C, B and C, then it will go to A, then again when it will go to B, it will be a problem because B, C, A was already there, so B is getting matched. So we cannot consider B it again. So again the max length is 3. But still, so this is how we are basically traversing. And when at and this is the way we have to keep on moving. Okay, this is the way we keep on our start index will keep on moving like this. Okay, and your end index will start off, then it will move from this and that. Okay, so this is the basic idea. Now the problem is how long we are going to do that. Okay, definitely if you reach your end index up to the end of the string, definitely you have to stop, because otherwise there is no point of checking, right? So this is the idea. Okay, so let's try to solve this using our code. Okay, so as I mentioned, so let me take it to one string here. String s equals to, what was that actually? Let me check. This is the string. I am taking this particularly. I will take an integer start index. I will make another integer as and index as well. Another I will take as max length, right? Okay, fine. So now what I have discussed, when I will add, if it is not at all present in a previous character set. Okay, so I have to create a character set. Set character set equals to new hash set. You can use any collections. I have used set. There is a definitely some reason for using this particular set. So can you comment it out why I have used this set instead of array list or anything else? This is quite interesting. Okay, so I definitely have to use some if else. Okay, what was the condition? I have already discussed that if your character set dot contains, basically that does not contains, if it is not at all contains in your character set, what it is s dot char at definitely what end index, because I am going to increase the end index. So if it is not there, character set will be getting one particular character, right? End index. Now I will increase the end index because it was not there, right? Also I will calculate the max length. What I mentioned, we need to check what was the previous max length. Okay, character set dot size and max length, whoever is greater, that will be here. Okay, now what will happen if it is already there? If I get again A, what I will do, I will shift my start index to B. Cool. So definitely I am gonna remove one element, sts dot char at, that should be my start index. Okay, one quick thing here, if you can pause and let me know what kind of mistake I have done. Okay, and definitely what I will do, I will increase my start index anyway, right? The thing is, like, if you do this, it might give you the ASCII value. Okay, so instead of doing this, the better way is value of character set. Okay, start index plus plus. Okay, now how long we are going to do this? I hope you understand this logic. Very simple one I have described. Now the thing is, like, definitely I need one while loop. What I mentioned here, how long, whether end index is equal to end of the character, that means the length of the string, right? Pretty simple. End index, because end index is equals to basically it comes from starts, it's basically one lesser, so that is why I am taking less than, right? Now it is proper one, max length. I have to give a system dot out, max length is this. Okay, so now if I run the program, it should return as 3. Okay, if I change the value b, it should be returning as 1. Okay, if I use this one, this should also return 3. Fine, so your max length is giving this. Okay, fine. So I hope you are able to understand this. This is a very tricky question. I won't say it is a easy one, but yeah, you need to think properly, then only you will be able to understand. Even if you are not at all a Java developer, that is definitely fine. If you understand how we are solving this, definitely you can build your own logic in your particular that in the programming language of your own choice, right? Anyway, so if you liked my effort, please do subscribe my channel. This is a brand new channel. If you I will come up with more interview questions, so I believe that's gonna be helpful for you guys during your interview. Okay, yeah, so till now it's fine. So thank you guys. So share the video with your friends and take care. Have a good one. Thank you.